Introducing Harpic Power Plus, the most powerful and effective toilet cleaning tablets out there. What you're going to need are a pair of suitable gloves and a box of Harpic Power Plus tablets. Now these Harpic Plus tablets will remove the thickest limescale from your toilet bowl, and to do that, with gloves on, remove the protective wrapping and place the Harpic Plus tablets into the toilet bowl. Now I'm going to be placing 2 tablets into the toilet bowl due to the thickness of my limescale. Now you should leave for a minimum of 6 hours, but the longer the better. Now the morning after, you can now see an improvement as some limescale has been removed and reduced. The bottom of the toilet bowl is much cleaner, and the limescale on the left hand side of the toilet bowl has actually reduced. Now in between the weekly use of the Harpic Power Plus tablets, I also continue giving my toilet its midweek cleaning using the Harpic Power Plus toilet cleaner. And I saw that this too was helping with the removal of the limescale, as I started to notice little flakes of limescale coming away during toilet flushes. At day 8, I repeated the same process again, 2 tablets into the toilet bowl, and again I continue to see the limescale reducing. By the end of day 16, after a further 2 tablets, I'm now left with just a small amount of limescale remaining on the left hand side of the toilet bowl. And by day 24, after using only 1 Harpic Active Power Plus tablet, my toilet bowl just had a small speck of limescale remaining on the left hand side. And this eventually came away just days later with no further use of another tablet. For more info, check out my description page where I've left the link of where to buy. Now to learn more about the Harpic 10 Power Plus toilet cleaner, click here and I'll see you in the next video.